Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your PlayStation 5 controller simply won't connect. Now, the easiest way to ensure that it's connected to your PlayStation 5 is by using a USB cable, simply like this. Plug it into the front USB slot, and then plug the other end into your controller, and then press the PlayStation button. You may see it charging, indicated by like an orange light. Go ahead and press the PlayStation button multiple times, and it should switch on over to a solid blue color, indicating it's connected to your PlayStation 5. Now, if it doesn't, what we could do is take the controller, and then we can turn it on, and it might start flashing. And we can flip the controller over and go to the reset hole, and press this down with a toothpick, just like this, and hold it down for about 5 seconds. And you'll notice your controller will turn off, and then you can let go and your controller will be reset. And then try reconnecting it back to your PlayStation. So I'm going to press the PlayStation button and see if it turns on. So it's connected now. Now, if we want to connect it wirelessly to our PlayStation 5, we will need to go to the options on our PlayStation 5 that allows us to connect a controller. So many TVs have an option for HDMI CC, which allows us to simply control our PlayStation 5 with our TV remote. So just switch over to the PlayStation stores and start moving around, see if you're able to operate it on your PlayStation. Then you could also use a second controller that's connected, or the remote play application on your phone. Once we're able to control our PlayStation, let's go to settings, then go on down to where it says accessories, go to general and go to Bluetooth accessories, and then connect your controller. So I'm going to use a PlayStation 4 controller for this example, but we want to hold down the PlayStation button and the sharing button at the same time. And after about 5 seconds, our controller light bar will begin to blink, and the controller will display under Bluetooth accessories now. DualShock 4 wireless controller. Simply go to your second controller, your TV remote, or the remote play application on your phone, computer, or tablet, and then go to wireless controller, select it, and register it to your PlayStation 4. So let's go to yes now to register our PS4 controller. Now log into a profile. So let's log into this profile, and you can see it's connected at the top of the screen. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.